Hi dear students, welcome to the virtual learning. Today we continue the lesson, and today we are dealing with the social lesson number 2 at the main point and the main subheading, that is the jigsaw puzzle and the moving plates. In the name itself, it is clear that the puzzle is something like jigsaw, and then it is a moving plate. It's not a stable, or it is not a resting, but then it is a moving. In the previous chapter, we saw many continents look like pieces of jigsaw puzzle. How scientists thought that in the beginning probably all continents were held together, and how they broke up and gradually drifted and came to their present places. After years of careful study, geologists have concluded that all the continents and even the oceans are actually situated on massive base of rocks called plates. There are about 6 major plates on the earth and several minor ones. What is the special about these plates? These plates actually float on the mantle. They are constantly being pushed and therefore keep moving slowly. They move so slowly that even we can't feel the movement. As a result of this movement, one plate pushes another neighboring plate. So, dear students, in this lesson, we learn that actually the whole earth is that means the first form of the first order of the landform, oceans and continents. These two are based on or situated on the big rocks called plates, and the plates are major and minors. So there are 6 major plates on the earth. They are African, North American, South American, Indo-Australian, Antarctic, Eurasian and Pacific plates. And among the minor plates are Nazca and Arabian plates. Actually, they all thought to be one. In the course of time, they broke and drifted from the other, and slowly, with a gentle slow, they have parted with each other. So when they moved from one place to the other, they moved with the so slow, so much so that we can't even imagine or know that we are moving. And the region or the place where two plates meet and push each other, a lot of pressure, a lot of force is exerted by each of them on the other. One plate is pushed under into the mantle, while the other plate is pushed up to form a chain of mountains. It's just like one side it is going down, the other side it is moving up. So it's like making a chain of mountains. This movement of plates is called plate tectonics. This process causes earthquakes, etc. Seafloor spreading. Geologists studying the crust under the sea have discovered that under some oceans, like the Pacific Ocean, there are mid ocean ridges or ranges. They are formed by the lava rising up from the mantle. The crepuscles on the edge create new ocean floor made of basalt rocks, which then spreads laterally from the ridge. Thus, the mid-ocean ridges contain the newest crust formed on the planet. This fresh crust is being slowly pushed away from the ridge, widening the ocean basin. This leads to what is called seafloor spreading. So, simply to understand that because of the eruption under the ocean or eruption in the waters and coming of the lava, there's a lot of formation of mountains, and then they make continuous ranges. So there is also spreading under the water continuously. This is what called simply seafloor spreading. Here we can see the plates of different places and the names of the places of the plates. So these plates actually are always moving on the waters, because we already said that this all the plates are actually basing themselves on the big rocks which constantly move from place to place, and their move is so slow. But then the plates, when one comes to the other and collaborates with it and have the contact, and then there it releases a lot of force, a lot of vibration, so much so that one plate goes down, the other plate comes up, and down there would be a different landform, and then on the other hand, like upper, there will be a different landform. It can be gorges, ridges, and mountain ranges. Secondly, because of the plates having contact or plate tectonic, there can be displacement of one place to the other. Like in the beginning, the South America was just beside the Africa, but now we know where that is situated. Yeah, in the beginning, the whole landform was one. This was all in one, but now we know that it's split into different parts and situated in different places. That is the earth that we have at present. Thank you.